What if I told you that the scariest number on Wall Street, the VIX, could pay your mortgage? Now, most traders see a VIX spike and they panic. Smart traders see a VIX spike, and what they do is they open up their brokerage app. And in the next 5 minutes or so, I'm going to show you exactly how implied volatility pays you twice and why this trade works through every major volatility event and has since 2024. Here's what most people get wrong about volatility. They think VIX is a prediction. It's not. It's a fear thermometer, and thermometers don't predict the weather. They measure it. And when VIX spikes to 30, 40, 60, that's not a signal to run. That's a signal that option premiums are loaded. And bloated premiums mean one thing: sellers get paid. The VIX Crush trade has 2 paydays. This is the key that most traders miss entirely. You sell VIX call spreads when implied volatility is elevated. On March 13, 2024, VIX was at 35, and the 30 to 35 call spread was paying $210. That's $210 per spread. Now here's the magic. VIX options don't just lose value from time decay, they lose value from volatility collapse. When VIX drops from 35 back to 18, those same options crush by 60 to 70%. So you collect premium on the way in, you collect crush on the way out. 2 paydays, same trade. Let me show you the March 2024 trade. VIX spiked to 35 on banking sector fears, and everyone on CNBC was screaming, "Crash, let's run for the exits." And I sold the April 30-35 call spread for $210. Here was my risk. If VIX stayed above 35 through expiration, I'd lose $290 per spread. But here's what actually happened. 2 weeks later, VIX was at 19, and the spread I sold for $210, I bought it back for 35 cents. And the profit was $175 per spread. And here's the part that makes this repeatable. This same pattern happened in August and in October, 3 times in 1 year. This trade is not free money. You need 3 rules. Rule number 1, only sell when the VIX is above 25, and below that, premiums aren't fat enough. Rule number 2 is never risk more than 2% of your account on any one VIX trade. And rule number 3 is set a hard stop at 50% of max loss, no exceptions. Follow these 3 rules and the math works in your favor over time. Now, the VIX Crush trade is one of 10 strategies inside the Cash Flow Machine Playbook. If you want the exact entry criteria, the specific spread selection, the risk management spreadsheet that I use for every trade, go to cashflowmachine.net and you'll see that we have lots of free resources there. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.